Morning, guys. How are ya? Happy Wednesday. Happy cold Wednesday. How's everyone doing here? Tradeaway is frozen. I heard that. I heard that. I haven't tried mine, so I don't know if mine's not working either. Today it's a big day for the market. We have FOMC at 2 and we have Meta, Tesla, I think Microsoft too. After hours, so big day for the markets. Anything can happen. um let's see, the Q, it's at all-time highs pretty much. Well, rejected here. I'm not expecting much from the market today. I'm not too eager to trade today. It's very important to understand when it's time to take less risk, right? To put this risk off the table or on the table. um More like on the table, and slow down a little bit, understand the price action, what it might happen today in the markets. So yeah, I'm gonna take it easy, very, very easy. Happy Wednesday. I'm kind of updating my levels because um we had new all-time highs pretty much on SPY and QQ. On SPY, definitely QQQ if you count pre-market action. That's a new all-time high also. For ES, I like this pullback here to yesterday's highs. That was a very nice pullback. Now we have the bounce off of that level. Can we have another pullback here so we can enter? Well, I'll enter trades only if Trade08 is working. Let me see something. Let me see if mine is working. Nope, it's not working. Yep, it's not working. I'm not on options. I think Apple, Oracle, Nvidia. I don't remember if I have any other swing trades open. You guys ready to pass some evals accounts today with FOMC? Hopefully, Trade08 works later today so we can trade something. Yeah, it might get fixed in a few. I never seen Tradeify not working for the entire day. It can be the first time, but they always fix it. You just passed one? What? I have wealth chart. Yeah, well, I never tried a wealth chart, to be honest. But it's definitely worth trying passing some evals here. Um, and mm, I have a regular funded account on Tradeovate. I'm sorry, on Apex. Um, ooh, it's cold here. It's cold for me. I know this is nothing for people up on New York, Michigan, Illinois, even Texas. It's pretty cold right now. It depends of the prop. I don't know what prop you're using, but it depends on the prop. Some props, I don't know. And also they change all the time. So you'll hear from them. How do I trade to pass eval? I use my rubber band strategy. To pass evals on FOMC days. You can pass them on any day that you're gonna see it most likely a big move. Mm, Let me see if I can look for that video and I'll post it on announcements on my Discord. Okay, so the market is very choppy so far. We had a very nice move overnight, and now it's not doing much. Like we have pretty much nothing. Look at these candlesticks. Really nice hold here of this level on NQ 220, 230. But other than that, not much action. It looks like the action was last night or early morning. I will say last night. Yeah. Okay, mm, let's see. Okay, the video of how I explain how I pass evals on FOMC days or any day that um we could have a big movement in the markets. It's posted on my Discord, so you have it there on the announcements channel on my Discord. Sounds good, but what is it? Just watch the video. The link for my Discord is down below. It's free. You don't need to pay anything to watch that video or read what I post on the announcements channel. Okay. Okay, let's see if Tradeify is working now. Oopsie. Nope, it's not working. Well, not much we can do with that. But either way, the market is not doing much either. Really nice morning low hold, but that's it. Nothing else. Okay, no caps, please. Calm down a little bit. It's any chart that you guys are looking right now that it looks promising. It looks like it could give us a good setup. IWM, this pullback, I kind of like this pullback here, but it's too, I don't love that it's too weak. I like this pullback here to 264. I think that's yesterday's high. Let me check. Yeah, yesterday's highs. So this pullback could be nice if can hold. Let's see if can really hold here. We want to see yesterday high holding. Gold. Let's see what gold is doing. It's just going. I just can't trade something that is up so much without proper pullbacks. This pullback here was really nice. This one here on Monday to a 5,000 level, that was perfect. Yep, that was perfect. But I can just, yeah, I can go long something like this. Let's see silver. Another one that it just needs more pullback for me to go long here. I took profits yesterday on my silver swing trade. That was over 3,000% trade on silver. I was trading it with options. But yeah, I think it needs a pullback. Let's watch this pullback on IWM. SMH gap fill downside. Let me see. Oh yeah. Look at this previous 30-minute candle. That's a very clean rejection candle. Very, very clean rejection candle. Yeah, it looks pretty good for more downside. Um, I do like it. I do like it a lot, this reaction here on SMH. Let's see. If SMH pulls back, it's definitely gonna drag the NQ lower. Yeah, I'm in on puts for these weeks. I'm looking for that gap fill. Yep. Yeah, I like that setup. Thank you, Justin. Yeah, I wanna see it go into at least previous day PDH. My stop loss is gonna be morning highs. Which strike? You can pick any strike you want. The best ones are as close as in the money as possible. I don't need to tell you that. Especially if I'm playing it for this week. That's a high risk trade because I'm taking weeklies. Most of the time, I don't like taking weeklies on Wednesdays, but we'll see. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it looks like a bunch of nothing for the market so far. I mean, it is pretty expected. I came here today saying I'm not expecting much from the market today. And look at this. I will say if you want to trade anything, just try it out with evals. We're not having like a clean price action day. Very choppy so far. Yeah, it looks like Tradeaway is still not working 100%. So I'll be careful also. So you have price action, crappy price action, Tradeaway is not really working. Yeah, there's no reason to trade this. But we'll see. We'll see how ES is gonna react to these lows here and NQ to these lows here. What I really want to see is NQ going lower to 120, 115. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Yeah, SMH is looking pretty weak. Looking pretty good this trade so far. But the market is extremely slow. Yeah, IWM is moving lower. Okay, we have another retest of this level here. That's around yesterday's highs. Let's see if it's gonna hold it. Yikes. Okay. Kind of want to go long there, but I don't know if I'm trusting these. Yeah, I know. Can we trust this price action for anything? Any good trade? Hmm. No, I haven't taken any profits yet. Why would I? I'm looking for a move towards the gap fill on SMH. Okay. Can the Q fill the gap below? Okay, or IWM dying. 263 is the next big level that I see on IWM, and it's very, very weak today. Yeah, really nice trade if you guys took the downside on IWM. Very clean rejection. The VWAP pointing down all morning. Pretty much all candlesticks are red. Okay. Can NQ hold this level here? I'm not trading any futures right now because I use Tradeify and I don't think it's working. So I haven't taken any trades on futures. Also, I don't like this price action. Mm. Yeah, I'm not gonna post anything else, anything more on this is Discord. I'm doing my trades here on YouTube live. Besides, I didn't see people like reacting or taking my swing trades seriously. I was killing it with swing trades. I was making more money than a lot of people there. And I never saw anyone like commenting or taking those trades or reacting to it. I saw people reacting more to trades, to people that posted trades after the fact than before the move happened. So, um, yeah, exactly, exactly. No, I'm not posting trades on anywhere. I'm doing it here live on YouTube. Oh, you like that candlestick video? Thank you. Make a comment there so yeah, I don't know if you guys like it or didn't like my videos because I don't see comments. What is the recommended way to follow me? Go to my Discord. You don't need to pay for anything, and I'll post my links for my YouTube in the futures challenge that I'm gonna do also. It's gonna you have the entire info there, or I'm gonna post everything there. So yeah, on my Discord. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, if you guys find, not only with me, with anyone that is posting videos, posting info online, and you find it helpful, and you like them, just like the video, or even better, just leave a comment, just like thank you or nice video. Brief, like it's not gonna take much of your time, and it's gonna help a lot the person that is making the video or posting the info. Mm, thank you, Ryan. IW and long at resistance, long at resistance, or long at support. I wouldn't long at resistance. I would like create a chat room on my Discord. Maybe, I don't know. Like that, to be honest, having a Discord with a chat, it's too much work that I don't need. Maybe in the future, but if I do that, I'm gonna charge a lot because that's a lot of work. Um, See me. I don't trade the afternoons. Guys, my whole idea for trading is having freedom, like financial and time freedom. I don't want to be working all day. I like trading in the morning and then having the rest of my day free to just do whatever the heck I want. Like if I wanted to be sitting on my computer the entire day, I wouldn't be trading. Really nice hold here on NQ. Same thing with ES. Can ES really hold here? Ooh, I was gonna go for a long here. Let's see if we can have a little pullback. Look at that beautiful, beautiful perfection. Really nice NQ hold, really nice ES hold here. No, I'm not gonna come here in the afternoon. I don't trade in the afternoon most of the time. I think it's more than enough to come here in the morning, trade for 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours, and then be done with my day. This is my job, and I don't want to be working all day. The more you trade, the higher probabilities you have to give back your profits or end the day red. Okay. Really nice. Really nice hold so far. You can trade anything on Tradeovate. Let's see if I can put a trade here. Nope. Me neither. Nothing is not working for me. Damn, I wanted to trade these bounds here and these bounds here. Is this live? Yes, it is live. You can see the price action and the charts here on your left, on your screen. How to draw levels? Yeah, that video is coming up. Yeah, but first you guys need the basics. Market structure, candlesticks. The Apex account have intraday drawdown. If ES can hold this level, I'm gonna try a long play here. Yeah. Oh no, it's not working. My trade of it's not working. But yeah, I wanted to take a quick bounce play here. But mine, I just clicked buy and didn't do anything. But whatever. After how much profit I can apply for a funded account, I'll recommend you to watch my video where I explain how prop firms work. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, welcome, Victor. Thank you. Thank you for buying me coffee. Guys, watch out this IWM hold. You can trade it with the Russell. Look at this beautiful hold here. That's the channel support. Yeah, 263. Really nice hold. Um, definitely a very nice level to play a bounce there. Mhm. You think pump and then dump when Fed comes out? No idea. Honestly, for me, I said it before. It doesn't matter what I think it might happen. I'm I trade price action, so the market can go to either side. It doesn't matter to me. I just wait for good setups and I take my trade. Like it really doesn't matter to me if the market goes up and then down and then sideways, or we have a huge move to the upside, downside. If the Fed says something bad or good, doesn't matter. What matters is a good price action. Like right now, we're not having a good price action. Yes, we're holding important level of support so far, but the price action is terrible. So it might it be a it maybe it's a good thing that the trade of it is not working. Maybe. Uh, mm, mm, mm. Yeah, so the videos, I have a lot more videos coming up. One, it's gonna be about how to swing trade, how I read my charts to find swing trades. Another one is gonna be how I do my watch list. So basically, I go through charts, I explain how I read the candlesticks, the levels, the price action, market structure, and then based on that, I make my watch list for the day or for the week. The other one's gonna be how I trade gaps. Another one is gonna be how I put my levels. Um, what else? Let me see. Anything you guys want me to talk about or make a video of? I know that I've been asked to make a video about how to use Tradezilla, how I use Tradezilla. Um, Another one that is coming up is how to trade pullbacks long, how to trade break and retest, how I trade them, what indicators I use, how I use them, um, how I look for my entries and stop loss, basically my PTs, my stop loss, and my entries. And you can use that to trade pretty much anything: futures, options, shares, crypto, anything. But I will say you can use it to trade anything but penny stocks. Please include how you make use of PDH, PDL. Like, what do you mean with that? You just put a level there at previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, and pre-market low. You just need to put a level there, and then just wait and see how it reacts. I mean, reading charts is not complicated. NQ is looking pretty weak. Ooh, if NQ rejects there, it could go for the gap below. Fair value gap. I don't trade I don't trade any ICT craziness. I think it's so dumb to follow a guy that is not even profitable and it makes everything extremely overcomplicated. ICT concept, I try to watch videos and it's stupid. It's just support and resistance price action. You don't need a bunch of weird systems and weird stuff, weird names to trade. Okay. Okay, we're going for the gap. The SMH trade is looking pretty good. Let's see if we can have this, maybe. That would be a gift. If we can have this rejection here. Bounce and rejection. So far, NQ has a very clean downtrend. I don't know what's the difference between break and retest and break and reclaim. I think you guys are overcomplicating things. Break and retest is very, very, very simple. It breaks, it shows you that that level is now acting as support instead of resistance, and then it goes higher. To the downside, exactly the same thing. It breaks down, it shows you that that level now it's gonna act as resistance and then keeps going lower. Nothing else, nothing more, nothing overcomplicated. Yes, definitely choppier than NQ. Let's see if NQ is gonna react here. If it doesn't react here, NQ, then we definitely know that the market is extremely choppy today. No reason to push it and do anything stupid. Let's see if I can trade this. Um, nope. Still, trade of it is not buying me anything or selling anything. Yeah, trade of it's not working for me. Oh yeah, definitely. I tried a bunch of stuff. But to be honest, it wasn't the strategy, it was me because I wasn't disciplined enough, and I was jumping from one strategy to another before really understanding what I was really doing, before really understanding price action, before really understanding market structure, how to read candlesticks, when to trade, when to not trade. So I don't think I think a lot of strategies can work. I think what doesn't work is us at the beginning. And also, it is pretty difficult when you don't have someone to point at you what you're doing wrong. It's gonna take you a lot more time, a lot more headaches, a lot more stress, and you'll be losing a lot more money. Oh, okay. Yeah, and every time you're right, Kevin, every time I try to buy or sell something and I don't see the trade of it working, I click exit all just in case some orders get behind. Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's just like playing tennis, yeah. I've been playing tennis my entire life. Well, I played tennis pretty much my entire life, and then like two, three, I think 2 years ago it was when I started playing pickleball, and I love it. And yeah, it's not the ball, it's not the wind, it's not the racket, it's me. So you have news events to like FOMC to pass evals? Yes, I think it's pretty easy to pass evals on days like today with high volatility. Um, and big move coming up. Yeah, you're a thousand. I agree 1,000% with you. Discipline is definitely more difficult to control uh, than learning how to chart or learning any strategy. But I do think like having someone to point it at you at the beginning what you're doing wrong and what keep doing it because you can. So I was watching the other day a video where it says, I think it was Gary V or Alex Hormozy that said that do more of the things that you do right and do less of the things that you do wrong. So basically, if I know that, I don't know, that playing gaps are my traits and the traits that have the biggest return for me, just do more of those traits, right? Look more for gap filled traits. If I know that trading in the afternoon, trading Fridays are my worst days and most of the time I end red, just do less of that. That's why I don't stream Fridays because I try my best to not trade Fridays. Discipline involves emotions. Yeah, definitely. How many different setups types do you have in your playbook? I don't know. Doesn't matter. The setups doesn't matter. What matters is market structure and if you really understand how to read price action, how to read the markets. At the end of the day, all strategies are pretty much the same. Anyone took this reaction here on ES and NQ? That was pretty clean. You guys did? Nice. Good. Mm, yeah, and I'm not here saying I'm the best trader in the world. I just come here. I'm only showing what I'm doing, and that's it. I'm not gonna show you my broker. I'm not gonna show you how much money I have on my bank account. I'm not gonna show you any of that because I don't like it. I like to keep those things private, and I'm not selling anything also. So I've started streaming my trades because I wanted to just share what I'm doing. That's it. What I'm doing with my trading. That's it. Why not share your trades in your Discord? Um, I don't know. For me to share my trades on my Discord, I will have to stop doing the streams every morning, and I'll be doing this exactly the same thing pretty much on my Discord, and I'll be pretty much making a lot more because I think people that charge for trades on Discord made around 200K, 300K per month, which is really good money. It's a lot of work, but yeah, if I'm gonna do that, you guys are gonna have to pay like a lot more money, at least 90, at least $100 per month. If you're willing to pay $100 per month for my trades, I'll do it. Exactly, I can do all that without the stress of having to babysit 1,000 people on my Discord. But I can babysit 1,000 people on my Discord for 300K a month. Keeping everyone in check for 300K a month? I will do that. Oh my god, look at that short. Why trade of 8? Why? Anyone on that NQ short? That was perfect. If one of you took that, I'll be happy for today. You guys will make my day. Look at that. You guys took it? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, that was perfect. Thank you. Very, very clean today. Yeah, I do think trading options today will be tricky. The market is moving extremely slow. Probably IVs are high. Um, yeah, I only trade New York session. Yes. Come on, guys. I want to see some likes. Give me some likes on the stream. I haven't taken any trades because Trade08 didn't allow me to trade today. But really good call outs here on this bounce on ES. Really good short play here called out. Oh, thank you. Thank you for liking it with 2 channels. Thank you. Who's trading FOMC today? So right now, Apex is doing a 30% off. Tradeify, I'm sorry, Apex is doing a 90% off for evals. Tradeify is doing a 30% off, and TPT 40% off, but you cannot trade TPT during FOMC. Oh, thank you, Black Magic. Thank you. Is Tradeovate working now? Let's see. It's not working for me. I don't know what's going on. TV down? Hmm. Yeah, so nothing we can do about that, right? PGR? I don't know what's that. Okay. It's almost 11 o'clock. My trade of 8 is not working, so I cannot place any trades. Um, what kind of accent do I have? I'm Venezuelan. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. There's not much I can do if I can't place any trades, but a really nice gold out on the ES bounce here, on the NQ reaction here. SMH is still looking like it wants more downside, so that's looking good, but I needed to move a little bit faster. So I will say that the next big level to watch for ES, it's gonna be around this 07, 05. And for NQ, for me, it's gonna be previous day's high. That will be the entire gap fill, pretty much giving back the move or the overnight move. We have a little bit of support around 140, and then more the big one it's gonna be at previous day's highs. And that's the level I would love to trade on NQ if Tradeovate allows me to trade. What else? IWM still holding 263. You like and comment my last 4 video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you. Let's see. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done watching this really nice downtrend here. Like, I don't find a reason to get out of this short play. I will say just take some profits and move your stop loss lower, and then just at least leave a few runners to see where NQ is gonna go. And if it stop you out, but you already locked some profits. And if it keeps going down, awesome, more money for you. Thank you for being here, guys. I'll see you mañana. Bye.